aha mukoro gwo kutongoza hose kandi y'abarwire ahirwa rero yakagando no kujwe kabashaba mazire mishomo yabo ahari kagando Institute of Health Sciences ebiri kishangwa hansi ya South Lorenzo Diocese Godfrey Baruku Kabyanga or minister wa Kanyabwenje no kuhaburi hanga nwarabwira bashaho obutija kwayenguza.
But we ask you kindly, nobody should tell you to bribe them. Don't. You know, even if there are 6 positions, they will take only 6 people. But for you, you are 20, you all bribe. They will still take 6 people. Even if all of you say we are not going to bribe, they will still choose 6 people.
Right Reverend Barnabas Tibijuka uri umureberezi w'ubureberezi bwa West Rwenzori kandi obi ari mu buruzi aha mukoro guho no gutandikira no kushaba ashabera bamazire mishomo yabo kubagire mujamiro yabo.
Dear graduates, imara kuza kuwemekwa, you are the salt of the world. Nimwe omonyo gwensi. When you go out there, mwashobora mukazaherokwe, go and serve the name of our mighty institution. Mugende muhereze kurungi habwisi na ishobora. As they see the good behaviors, bakureba mico birungi yanyu, the way you attend to clients, nkoko muriyo mufaho abantu mukujanjaba, they should see Kagando in you. Barebe Kagando muri imwe.
To the parents seated this end and the other end, and guardians, thank you for the sacrifices you have made to keep these students in school. Your investment in the education is an investment in the health of our communities. To the teaching staff and non-teaching staff in the institute and the hospital, thank you for molding these young men and women.
Antoinette Bera or principal wa Kagando Institute of Health Sciences wasimira ubureberezi wa South Rwenzori aho kutandika hwitendekereri eri hansi y'umusinge gw'edini.
Take this opportunity to thank South Rwenzori Diocese. It's important to inform you that the students who are graduating from here are unique because of the Christian Foundation.
Kandi na nyerizo anashomerwa kuba pati yo mukora abantu abajware rizoba nibabitangwa konka no gumiseruza na namana ga gishomero mana gabazire na no kwatanisa na banywano banyu
abeje 56 nibo bajiriza certificates na diploma zabo mu mishometari yamwe nemwe kandi binjo mu rubo basimira ruhanga bwo kubatanditse kushoma kandi bakakwenderaje gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzo Markasisi.